If you miss hummus on a low-carb diet, this recipe is for you. We are making the best low-carb hummus without beans. So what is the main difference with this hummus from conventional hummus is that instead of beans, we are using cauliflower. Cauliflower is a vegetable really rich in vitamins and minerals. It's amazing if you want to reduce the amount of estrogen in your body, if you are an estrogen dominant woman. Also really rich in glucosinolates. Those are compounds to be known to fight cancer as well. This hummus is not taking you out from burning fat to burn sugar as an energy source, and it's also gut friendly because we are not using tahini. If you do suffer from candida overgrowth or any other microbial imbalance, tahini, sesame gets fermented, so it's not for you. So what we are gonna do with the cauliflower first is that we are gonna chop it, and after we chop the cauliflower, we are gonna put it in the food processor to make rice cauliflower. We are gonna use spices that aid digestion and decrease inflammation. Ginger, cumin, turmeric, and black pepper. First, we are gonna add 1 tablespoon of ghee for a non-vegan version, or MCT oil, medium chain triglycerides, which is a great fuel for your brain and body. When the oil is warm, we are gonna add the spices that are really good to aid digestion and decrease inflammation. So we are gonna add 1 teaspoon of cumin, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, 1.5 of ginger. Turmeric has curcumin and ginger has gingerol, that are the active compounds important for decreasing inflammation. And finally, we are gonna add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Very important to add black pepper to increase the bioavailability of the turmeric, and it's really good for balancing blood sugar. We mix all the spices with the oil. After a couple of minutes, whenever the spices aroma comes up, we add our 2 cups of chopped cauliflower. Mix well, and we are gonna cook it for 5 minutes until the cauliflower is soft. When the cauliflower cools down, we put it in a food processor and we add the juice of 1 lime. Amazing for detoxification and boosting immunity, really rich in vitamin C. 1/4 cup of walnuts, pine nuts, or macadamia nuts as a substitute for tahini. And we just blend it all. Oops, I forgot the salt, no problem. 1 teaspoon of salt, or up to taste. Voila, we have our hummus. Garnish with some olive oil. Decorate with mint, cilantro, or parsley. So while you are enjoying this hummus, remember to subscribe to my channel and then go to the next recipe.